This is a 2016 Retina MacBook battery replacement, a concise 60-second guide. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap before starting. You'll need precision drivers, pry tools, a torque driver, and safety glasses. Remove 5 pentalobe screws from the bottom case using a pentalobe driver. Lift the cover and disconnect the battery connector with a plastic spudger. Carefully peel the battery adhesive strips, pulling slowly and keeping steady tension. Lift each battery cell gently and set it aside on an anti-static mat. Place the new battery, align tabs, and press firmly into the chassis. Reconnect the battery connector and tighten screws to 0.7 to 1.2 Newton meters. Replace the bottom case and reinstall pentalobe screws, tightening evenly in sequence. Power on the MacBook and confirm battery health and proper charging behavior. Watch for swollen batteries, stripped screws, and avoid excessive force. You're done.